Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile appliances for new parents, the HEYVALUE Baby Food Maker. If you're looking to streamline meal prep for your little one, this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Designed to simplify the process of making nutritious baby food at home, the HEYVALUE Baby Food Maker is not just a blender, it's a complete 13-inch system. From blending fruits and vegetables to preparing meats and creating smooth purees, this all-inclusive set ensures you can cater to your baby's nutritional needs with ease. Let's talk about what makes this baby food maker stand out. It features 6 durable stainless steel blades and a powerful motor that effortlessly blends various food textures. The 600 ml borosilicate glass mixing bowl is not only safe for food but also freezer-friendly, allowing you to store batches of homemade baby food for later use. Operating the HEYVALUE Baby Food Maker is as simple as pressing a button. Whether you're pureeing soft fruits or chopping tougher vegetables, this machine handles it all. It's designed for busy parents who want to provide freshly made meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe components. The detachable parts ensure thorough cleaning, maintaining hygiene standards for your baby's health. What I love most is its versatility. Beyond baby food, you can use it to blend ingredients for your own meals, introducing your baby to family flavors early on. Plus, all materials are BPA-free, ensuring your child's safety. To wrap it up, the HEYVALUE Baby Food Maker is a game-changer for new parents who prioritize homemade, nutritious meals for their little ones. With its robust features, easy operation, and thoughtful design, it's clear why this is one of the best small blenders for baby food on the market. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on one, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips on products like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique.